This is the English Literature Web YouTube channel. I am Prof.L.B.Gayakawad is teaching today the sample of the expansion of an idea. The sample is honesty is the best policy. We will discuss now this honesty is the best policy in the form of the expansion. See, there was a high school teacher. It was a popular center of education. It had given the chain of the honest students to the society. Ramesh was the high school teacher there. He was very honest in teaching. He used to love his school, his teachers, and his students. He was filling them his estate. Where he was going, there he was talking of his school discipline. One day, what happened in Ramesh's life is a very much strange thing. He was studying under the tree in the interval of the schedule because he was preparing for his study. As the bell went, he ran towards his class. While running, he saw the golden thing glittering there. He was surprised as it was the watch of gold. He made strong himself. His honesty supported him. He went to the headmaster and submitted the watch. The day came and the prize was given to Ramesh as the high school teacher. Everyone said honesty is the best policy. Ramesh was the popular teacher in this way in the high school, and he was become the subject of discussion in the area, and he had been given the particular scholarship of rupees, I will say 50,000 rupees by the institution. When we see this expansion of the idea, then we can understand that the idea is honesty is the best policy, and the expansion is going around this particular idea. Here we have finished the topic, the sample of the expansion of the idea. Again we will see with a new topic. Till then we will stop. Thank you very much.